This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Coffey. This adorable 2-bedroom 2-bathroom ranch home is located in a cul-de-sac. It features an open floor plan with cathedral ceilings in the living room, and a gas fireplace. The home has a split bedroom plan. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and attached bath. The second bedroom has a bathroom next door and the laundry room close by. Recent updates include the water heater in the last year. The dishwasher and disposal have been replaced in the last 2 years. For more information, review the details below or contact Coffey at 865-584-4000.